y'all. Hey y'all. Did I get it? I don't know if I did or not, y'all. I don't know if I did get it or not. Oh, if I did, I didn't know. Don't worry about it. Alright, y'all. Last night we had some bad weather. Last night we had raining like castle dogs last night. I might end up change my earrings, y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna get girl about to change her earrings. Cause I'm gonna put on my I'm gonna put these on. So yeah, it was raining like cats and dogs. Lights went out last night from 11 I guess to 3 this. The lights came back on to 3 in the morning this morning. Yep. So the lights came back on to this morning. So I gotta get my nephew. Gotta get my nephew put this necklace on for me, and I don't know if I want to put it on. I need to get him. While I'm thinking about it, y'all, let me get my nephew. What the heck I'm about to say, y'all? I got my good sunglasses here, y'all. I love these sunglasses right here, but I need to screw these back in so I can wear them again. But all my good sunglasses is in my, I think I'm in my purse. I'm gonna let him put pop the lens back in for me right quick. I'll be right back. Hold on, y'all. Cause he pops up in real good. And that's real monkey. Alright, I'm back. Somebody's calling me, y'all. Yeah. I got my lens popped in. I wish I could get these back in. Something I could wear them, y'all, but I need to get a screw in. Right, I need to get a screw right here. So yeah. I have all my sunglasses with me, y'all. But the rest of my other sunglasses, like my pink ones, my green ones, I got to know where I did with that purse. When I came back from Houston the first time, I need to know what I did with them. They may be over on this side. I'm about to see. I'm about to get out this video because your girl's tired. I ain't get no sleep last night because I was waking up. Every time I closed my eyes, I was waking up. I was nervous. And I was nervous. And, I'm going to change purses and stuff. I'm going to change purses right quick, but I don't want to do pink. I do pink all around already. So, I went to Cato's. I went to Cato's. I think it was I don't know what day it was, but I did went out to Cato's, y'all. And they had this green purse on sale. They had some jewelry on sale. They had it all. So And I got some sandals on. But I'm gonna put on green. I got these gold sandals on today, y'all. So I'm not. It's me. So I'm gonna switch our purses right quick later. And your girl is tired. Got my sunglasses popped in real good. So got my lens popped in. So and then I went to HEB's, whatever, got me some fruit, whatever. So I did that, y'all. So I did a lot of things on my time on my watch. I'm tired of doing all this same thing. And I got mad. Oh yeah. I was nervous last night. I was like, okay, it's raining outside. I said, golly, it's like you and lights was it was pitch black in this house, y'all. I had to keep getting my phone every time I get up, go get ready to keep getting up and you know. So we had candles. We had candles in the kitchen. We had candles in the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? I was getting nervous last night. So I slept hard last night. I slept hard this morning. I didn't do Facebook Live this morning. I'm like, oh Lord, your girl is tired. You know what I'm saying? Your girl was tired. Your girl was tired. And I'm like, I can't do this. No, I can't do these. So, So, I gotta go give me another this. And I gotta give me two. I gotta give me more. Give me some more. I gotta give me some more ankle bracelet. I gotta give me another ankle bracelet, y'all. The rope ankle bracelet, I put it on it too hard, I guess. One of it came off, but I had to get another one. I'm rough on everything, and that's about it. I'm just rough with everything. Rough with everything. No, I didn't work this, but my heart came off. I was looking for a shoe under my bed, whatever. This came off. Oh my golly. So, I'm about to switch purses right quick. I don't know what kind of purse I'm gonna go with today. And I'm ready. I had breakfast this morning, y'all. Your girl had some breakfast this morning. I had breakfast this morning. So, I'm gonna put my money up. I don't know what kind of purse I'm gonna go with. I don't know, y'all. I'm just gonna go with a cute. See, he got the rest of my other sunglasses, but these I have red and green. These are my other ones. I had all favorite colors, but I think when I came back to Houston that day, I put in a purse of mine, whatever. So I'm trying to see where the purse is at, and I'm gonna change purses right quick. And I don't know what color purse I'm gonna go with. Your girl is. I might go with my Bubba Girl purse, and I'm gonna probably just do that. Go with my bubblegum purse, cause that's what I'm gonna do. Go with this purse. I was gonna go with I might go with my light pink purse. I'm always carrying my bubblegum purse. I'm gonna go with the other purse. I'm gonna go with that instead. So let me just get off this video and see where the other purse at. I'm gonna get out these shoes right here. So I'm gonna get out my bow shoes and stuff like that. I'm gonna put some light across my bed. Yeah, your girl is super tired. It's sleepy. So I got me some sleep like a few minutes ago. I didn't do Facebook Live or none of that. So I'm gonna try tonight because I ain't tried this. I didn't get on it this morning. I'm like, okay, no, I didn't. You know what I'm saying? It's like, so yeah. So yeah, I'm about to close out this video. You know. So, you know, I'm supposed to get off of here, y'all. So, let me go ahead and close this video out, y'all. And, I think that's about it. And I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and let your notification bell and subscribe to your channel. Thank you for watching this video. I am out.